Hey friends, a lot of users must be knowing that Chrome had a malware removal tool of its own, and now it doesn't. I mean, it's nowhere to be found. Like, I open Chrome, I go to reset settings. It existed in reset settings, but it's nowhere to be seen. Even if I mention cleanup here, it will redirect me to the same reset settings page, but there will be no option. Okay, I can click on this, but there is no option. And as for secure browsing, yes, I can access secure browsing, but that is not the cleanup tool. So basically, what happened to the cleanup tool? Now I'll explain this. It's gone. It has been merged with the reset tool itself. But here's the thing. Chrome introduced this new feature called secure browsing, because of which every download that you make through Google Chrome will be secure, and every website that you visit on Google Chrome will be secure. So Google Chrome at the first place will not allow malware into your system. I mean, that's the best that they can try. And other than this, if you wish to clean up the settings associated with Google Chrome, then the best way is simply to reset it. Okay, and this is the secure browsing page. It is set at standard protection by default. You can also set it at enhanced protection. As for the cleanup tool, it has been merged with the reset tool, because if there is any malware infection or anything on Chrome, you will have to reset it to default, and this will also check everything for inconsistencies. Now, if you really want to make your Chrome browser secure, here's one more thing that I'll suggest. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and go to manage extensions, and make sure that you don't have any unnecessary extension here. Whether it's enabled or not is a different thing. Just don't keep it here. Remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.